Friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Arelees and I love baking treats and cooking up eats. Today, I'll be making for you some thumbprint cookies. Friends, let's get baking. Friends, for your ingredients, you're going to be needing 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have here 1 cup of sugar, granulated sugar, that I'm going to be divided into 2. I have here a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of strawberry jam. But friends, you can use whatever jam you like, whatever flavor, whether cherry, raspberry, marmalade, whatever you wish. But I'm using the strawberry jam. A cup of butter, or you can use 2 sticks of butter. And you're going to be needing 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Friends, you're going to be sifting your flour and salt together. Set this aside. And then in your mixing bowl, you're going to be adding half of the sugar. This is where we're going to divide the sugar, because we need a half a cup to mix with the butter and half a cup to roll the cookies. So we're going to set the half a cup aside, and then we're going to be mixing the butter with vanilla and the sugar together. I'm going to be adding our 2 teaspoons of vanilla to the sugar. We're adding our butter to the sugar and the vanilla. Friends, now that the butter and sugar with your vanilla is all mixed or blend in together, we're going to be adding now our flour mixture to the butter mixture, adding half a cup of the flour at a time. Now friends, we are going to be bringing the dough together. Now this is our dough, and we're going to be wrapping this in some saran wrap and place in the fridge just to chill. Friends, now that the dough has been sitting in the fridge and it is now chilled, I am going to be rolling the dough, or the little balls, about 1 inch or so. Friends, now that I have made all my little balls, I'm going to pour the other half a cup of sugar into the bowl, and we're going to be rolling the little balls in the sugar and place them on our baking sheet. Friends, now that I have rolled the cookie dough in the sugar, I'm going to be placing them in the oven for 5 minutes until they're firm. Friends, the cookie balls have been in the oven now for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to use my thimble to make the indentation. Friends, now I'm going to be filling the indentation with some strawberry jam. And like I said, you can use whatever you wish to use, but I'm using the strawberry jam. Friends, now that the balls with the indentation is now filled with the strawberry jam, I'm going to be placing them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. This is the end result of the Thumbprint cookies. If you made it this far in the video, I greatly appreciate you all. Thank you for liking the videos. Thank you for sharing, leaving your comments. Kindly turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss a video. God bless you all. Loads of love, and I'll see you in the next one.